This is the home page of Unity Hub. So to start a 2D project, you need to click on new project and make sure you select the 2D core option. You can give any name here. For example, I can give first project and then just hit create project. It will take some time for the first time to load all the backend files. Okay, so after creating a project, it will take some time, so don't worry. At the first time it takes some long time, but if you open it again, it won't take that much time. So that's how you create a 2D project in Unity.